Hello, in this video we will speak on buckets customization. Go to EstVis.com website, sign in and click Settings. Then choose Bucket Customization. And here we have two things that we can customize. The first one is which buckets are visible to each row. They are in this column. And then which rows can move the cases to the specific buckets. For example, let's make mechanic bucket visible to body tag. As we can see now, only users with mechanic, manager, and front desk rows can see this bucket. So find the body tag here in this field and drag him. Then we see that users with only frame and manager roles can move a case to mechanic bucket. Let's make it available for the body tag as well. Do the same thing. So now body tag can see the cases in mechanic bucket and move other cases into this bucket. And the main thing, don't forget to click Save. That is at the bottom of the page. So that's all about this. Thank you for your attention.